There is no doubt that Britain is in a highly precarious situation. If this data is corroborated, it will indeed put an enormous strain.
Attention, please, everyone. 5 minutes ago, Sir Nicholas Webb informed us that if we ignore his demands, the next leak will be bigger and a lot closer to present day. Meaning that sources, assets, and even agents will be at risk. The diplomatic hit we have already taken is irreversibly detrimental to our national security, global interests, and Great Britain's standing in the world. Further jeopardizing that is not an option. It has been decided to accept Webb's demands and grant him immunity. Giving in is not giving up. Quite the contrary, we do this to protect the country we all love. It is time to stand down. Thank you. Bond, congratulations. Your performance in Vietnam proved beyond a doubt you'll make an excellent 00.
What are you doing? We can't let Webb get away with this.
What we do is my call. The world's not fair, Bond. I thought Greenway taught you that.
Don't bring Greenway into this.
M, we have to go. The Prime Minister's waiting.
Moneypenny will debrief you, then go home and get some well-deserved rest.
All I'm saying is that it could be a giant bluff. I'm just not convinced that he's got anything more recent.
Why wouldn't he? No doubt what he'll meant to do with the first batch at least.
Security around
Glad you am.
All right, for that matter. Always so chummy with Webb. I just cause a lot of envy and perhaps not.
Immunity. After all he's done.
I'm sorry about Greenway, James, but
Well, she's not.
she's doing her job. And she's doing it well.
And that's it. You're happy to just walk away.
No, but I also have a job to do. I wrote some code to stress test some of their safety layers and I'm going down there now. But I can see that you're not done ranting. Come, walk with me.
Thea is a complete scam. Webb lied to MI6 for more than a decade. Started out using the 00 program as a scapegoat, destroying 009 and Greenway's lives. Cressida and the other recruits dead or maimed. Monroe. And now he's leaking top secret intel to the press, and we're just letting him get away with it. But how the hell has it come to this?
He's been one step ahead all along. There's a sixth sense, I swear.
He doesn't need one. He's monitoring his own tech, and we let him.
You coming? Actually, we are certain that he hasn't. 2 full sweeps and a third one concluding as we speak. Thea isn't and never was compromised.
Come on, Moneypenny. We saw it at Web HQ, and Damien pretty much confirmed it.
Nevertheless, no breach has ever occurred.
Then explain to me how they could have a whole department at Web Industries dedicated to sifting out Thea's mistakes if they didn't have a live feed of everything Thea ever delivered. We didn't make that up, Moneypenny.
What can I say? Unless Webb has some quantum entangled mirror computer, it's just not possible.
Hang on. Hyperion. That's gotta be it.
What?
It was something Damien said. In Greek mythology, Hyperion is Thea's brother and consort. That makes perfect sense.
No, it doesn't. Tech like that is sci-fi, doesn't exist. Probably never will.
But what if it did? What would you have to do to eliminate the threat?
If it were that simple, destroy or remove the core, you'd render the quantum cloud meaningless.
The data can't be read without the core.
No. The core is the magic key.
Wait, you're not actually buying any of this, are you?
What if it's true, though? We can make this whole thing disappear.
But it's not. Okay. And I am with them on this. We have no choice but to give in. Even if we had solid intel, a gamble like that would be reckless, beyond any sense. It would go against MI6's very reason to exist. It would be high treason. So you won't do anything stupid.
course not. I'm not an idiot.
Promise me, James.
Cross my heart. Sorry, Moneypenny. This idiot's about to rock Q up.
Bond.
I just wanted to check in. Where is everyone?
I sent them all home. Come, join me. Don't do it.
What?
Blame yourself. I knew him for 25 years. The good years and what came after. Operation Nightfall changed me. Slipped into darkness. Never could find his way out until you came along. First light in more than a decade. And he came back. More alive than ever. And thanks to you, he went out with a bang and not with a whimper. And if that's not a reason to celebrate, then I don't know what is. To Greenway. And to you, James. Salute.
Don't forget to turn out the lights when you leave.
To get the Hyperion on leading edge. New watch, pistol, and whatever else Q's got lying around. It was the first of a new batch. And it was in the stress test chamber.
Credentials incorrect. Access denied.
Playing favorites, eh? Q has total access. All I need is a fingerprint. What was the last thing he touched? Got a fingerprint? Now how to get it off the glass. This should do the job. Damn. It's only a partial print. What else could be good for a clean print? Q's in and out of here all day long. Must be a print on here I can use. Oh, Bridget. Can't tell your print from Q's. Either would do, but both are useless. Digital print. Shocking. At last. One whole print. Now let's see if I'm right.
Identity verified. Welcome back, Q.
Maybe I would have been half decent agent after all.
Q credentials inconclusive. Running diagnostics.
Don't worry, I'll be in and out. Thanks, Q. Promise to take better care of this one.
Q not detected.
What?
Initiating.
No, wait. How do I get out of here? There's a laser. It sounds destructive.
Laser charge and operation.
Industrial strength. Or perhaps this will do the trick. Shuttle lock gone. Nothing to it. Shuttle lock on. Fire hazard coming up.
Laser deactivated.
Contained blaze I was hoping for. More fuel paths. Okay. Better look around to find a way out. Starting a fire or setting off an explosion. What's a beauty like you doing in a place like this? Starting a fire or setting off an explosion. Right. Damn, just a cupboard. Full closes when countdown is triggered. Okay. Let's stick around. Cover. Fast.
10, 9,
Car's blast, ready to feel ready to.
6, 5, 4, 3,
aptly named.
Burner deactivated.
Code-protected cabinet. I wonder what's inside.
Safety protocols issued. Fire exit active. Please evacuate immediately.
How's that burning bridges? It's you. Wouldn't even know I was here. What shiny new toys have you left for me, Bridget? Just the pistol to go. Okay, so what code would Waters use for a room full of guns?
Onward access granted.
Too easy. Hello there. I've been looking everywhere for you. That's everything. Time to go.
Ceasefire. Personnel detected on range.